Fix it before it's too late. Learn how to quickly edit your message in Messenger and keep the conversation smooth. But first, make sure to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to edit messages in Messenger. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Start by opening the Messenger app on your device. Tap on the conversation where the message you want to edit is located, whether it's a group chat or a one-on-one conversation. Once you are in the chat, scroll to the message you would like to update. Now press and hold onto the message you want to edit. A menu will pop up with several options. Tap on the More icon. Again, a menu will appear. Tap on the Edit option. This will open up the text, allowing you to make any changes to what you have sent. Edit the message as needed, whether you want to change a word, add something new, or remove a mistake. This is your chance to perfect it. Once you are happy with your edit, tap the tick mark option. Your message will instantly be updated for everyone in the conversation without creating a new notification. They will see the revised message. However, it will appear with an edited tag. So this is how to edit message in Messenger. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.